queen bee in the eye of Hurricane Betty.
So don't come over here and say this woman's dead. Show receipts. Tell wannabe drug thug to show her face. Because as soon as she shows her face, it's done. It's all over. And we know that because here's the kicker. This is something she doesn't know. She doesn't know that I was actually, somebody had brought up crazy critters and crime on the farm or whatever, Daisy's channel. And I was in there, when she was going through all the stuff that she was by talking about Rose Bly and Rose Bly being alive and things of that nature. Well, somebody sparked in my mind because I forgot I was actually in that chat. She's saying, oh shit, right now. She's saying, oh shit, right now. But I was in the chat over on Miss Daisy's that night. And for the first time, she actually went over to Miss Daisy's chat and she didn't show her face. I mean, she showed her face. And I remember Miss Daisy's like, whoa, I can't believe you didn't, you're showing your face. You never show your face. She's saying, oh shit right now. She's saying, oh shit right now. And this was because she was coming out because everybody was attacking Miss Daisy for the whole Rose Bly scenario. And another woman saying she was family with friends and whatever that was. And I think it was Sunshine possibly that brought this to her and was talking about it on her channel. And so Miss Daisy was getting beat up. And if Miss Daisy's in here, she can agree. Miss Daisy was getting beat up. And so wannabe drug thug decides to go over to Crimes, Crazy Critters on the Farm, Daisy's channel, and she turned her camera off, or turned her camera on. And she was on her couch. And guess what? I remember seeing her. She was a heavy-set woman with dark hair. And then when I look at this picture, it was the same woman that I saw that night on Crazy Daisy's channel. I'm sure that record is hers. She is a despicable, yes, absolutely, absolutely. But I remember being in there, and I remember seeing her face. Now, I went back because I knew exactly what it was. I knew exactly what video that was on. However, Miss Daisy either moved that over to members only or has that privated, and I would implore Miss Daisy, if she wants to get to the root problem and she still has that video, I would like a picture of that woman to finally prove. But I know for a fact it was a heavier set lady with dark hair laying on the couch like this. And I remember her. I remember. So yes, this is definitely, without a doubt, without a doubt. So yes, this is definitely, without a doubt, Queen Bee. And again, you can't take that away. You made that mistake yourself, and I just so happened to be in that chat. She did take it down. I know she did. But she could still have copies of it. Because even when we take it down, unless we permanently delete it from the back, she might still have it. And this can put it all to bed. But your story, wannabe drug thug, is getting weaker and weaker and weaker. And you just need to go ahead and just say, it was you, that you've been lying, and ask for the mercy of your subscribers. Because people don't like liars here on YouTube, because if you lie to them about that, what else would you lie to them about? And you may say anything about whatever you want to say, but you know damn well, my record is not that. And you can try to justify it any way you want by fraudulent affidavits that make you feel good. If you want to do that, go ahead. It doesn't matter. Go ahead and pull up those 2011 cases on me. They're not from 2021. They're not a felony from 2019. They're not showing I'm an active criminal or that I go out and cause crime or sell drugs or do anything like that. I've never been convicted of any felony. There is one felony on my record, and I actually went to court and was found not guilty. So it didn't even get dismissed. I actually went to court and was found not guilty of that crime. So that's the worst that they've got for me. Bring it, because you've got a lot of skeletons in your closet. I absolutely can vote. Wannabe drug thug can't. Three-time felon, wanting to help children that she injured in her addiction and her selling. And we know that she's smoking something, because your voice doesn't get like that from what it was to this without you being on some whatever goes down. And it's not just cigarettes.
Those are some pretty serious accusations, Bullshit Betty. Better get those receipts. You are your own worst enemy, bullshit Betty.
He's fucking Queen Bee Escobar, bro.
She's in China just making drugs. Yeah, get some fentanyl on that motherfucker.
Every time she mutes her mic, she's fucking yelling at people for putting too much fucking baby laxative.
Cracker cookie like I'm made by Nabisco. Change in my block like it's crypto. I'm biased. The drip too goddamn fly.